Hey guys, this is Greg from followgregsports.com. Today I'm going to show you a tip on where to focus your camera when photographing a throw-in. This is footage from a GoPro camera mounted in the flash shoe. In this case, I'm shooting using a Nikon D500 with a Sigma 120-300 f2.8 sports lens using a monopod. I was there to photograph the team in blue, and in this case, the team in gray has a throw-in on the near sideline coming towards me. In these situations, the most frequent type of shot you can get is the back of the head of the defender in blue. This tends to not be an interesting photo. Sometimes you can get a shot of the defender heading the ball, and obviously if you are capturing the team throwing, you can get some great shots whether they are throwing towards you or away or even standing still. The most important tip for this video though is where to focus when waiting for the throw-in. As you see from the video, while the gray player is setting up to throw the ball in, my camera is not pointed towards him. Not my team, not really interested. Instead, I wanted to focus on where I think the ball will end up. First, I widen my focal length here. In this case, I widen a little wider than normal to 155mm. This is because I have zero idea of where the ball is going in the air, so I want to make sure I can cast a wider net. Now here's the big tip. I quickly focus on the nearest shoulder of the defender. I'm using single point focus here. I don't want to capture the anticipation of the ball in this case. I want to capture the receiving or redirection of the ball. As soon as I see the ball enter the frame, I have time because I'm shooting wide, remember. I start firing off shots. In these cases, it is very important to maintain focus on the player, not the ball, throughout the sequence. As you can see, I maintain my focus point on the defender, not the ball or the offensive player. This is another tip on how understanding the game and the way the current game you are photographing can help you set up the perfect shot. You can find more tips in my masterclass, Mastering Youth Soccer Photography, or see my work at followgregsports.com.